recording has been started. Okay, together mode is there, gallery mode is there, no large gallery mode is there. So didn't say on, yes, now it is showing. So let's see. Okay, question number 10 and then after question number 4 also from try this section. Okay. So 10 what it is being said over here. If you will see, Sakshi buys 6 dozen bulbs for rupees 1560 per dozen. Okay. She sells 3 dozen at the rate of 1638. That means 1638 is per dozen rate. She finds that 6 bulbs were defective. So of course that 6 bulbs will not be sold. She then sells the remaining bulbs at the rate of 1500 per dozen. Find the final gain or loss percent. So of course here you will find at first total CP and total SP, and then we will be finding gain and loss percent. So just see, she had about 6 dozen. So our total CP you can write here. Total CP or cost price of how much? 6 dozen bulb is equal to rupees 1560 into 6. When we will multiply, then we will get 6 0 is 0, 6 6 is 36, carry 3, 6 5 is 30 and 3 33, carry 3. Again 6 1 is 6 and 3 9. That means rupees 9360 she had spent for buying. Then after you will be writing now and okay, and I'll write and SP of 2 dozen bulb or selling price of 2 dozen bulb also you can write SP of 2. She sell 3 dozen, sorry 3 dozen she had sold. So okay, SP of 3 dozen bulbs is equal to how much it will become? Rupees 1638 into 3. That will become rupees 8 3 is 24, carry 2, 3 3 is 9 and 2 11, carry 1, 6 3 is 18 and 1 19, carry 1, 3 1 is 3 and 1 4. So 4914 she got by selling 3 dozen of bulbs. Okay, Sakshi is not there, Sakhi is there. Okay. She finds that 6 bulbs were defective. Now, so how much bulb is remained? Only 2.5 dozen. Do you know why only 2.5 dozen it is left to be sold? Remaining bulb is now only 2.5 dozen.
Wasted.
Yes, because 6 bulbs were defective and she can't sell it, that become wastage. So you can write and SP of remaining 2.5 dozen bulb, remaining 2.5 dozen bulb is equal to rupees 1500 into 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is only 2.5. Okay. So of course it will become 750, and 750 when multiplied with 5 it will become rupees how much?
3,750.
3750 is it? Okay, so 0 0 5 5 is 25, carry 2 and 5 yes, this is right. So this much. So you can write now total SP is equal to, or even you can write therefore total selling price is equal to rupees 3,750, okay, plus what was earlier 9,360, yes, rupees 9,360. Is it the same? Yes. So when this got added, then it will become how much? 0, 6, 5, 11, 1, carry 1, okay, then after 7 and 3, 10 and 1, 11, carry 1, 9, 3, 12 and 1, 13.
Sir,
Yes, yes,
sir,
yes.
that rupees 9,360 she bought no bulb.
Okay, that was CP, is it? Okay, I thought SP and I had written. Let me see. Okay, 4,914 it is. Okay, okay, sorry. So here we have to add 4,000. How much it was? 4,914 each.
4,914.
Yes, yes. 4,900. How much? 14. Yes, 1 4. So that becomes, okay, how much? This will become 4,516 and 9, 7, 16. Carry 1. So 4, 3, 7 and 1, 8. That is 8,664. Yes. So of
Yes,
course
sir.
selling price is less, so you can write. Hence, it has been said to find loss or loss percent or both. It has been said find the
Gain or
final
loss
gain or loss percent. So you can say hence final loss percent is equal to, because here it is loss. It's a final loss percent. Final loss percent is equal to loss. That means what? SP minus CP. No, CP minus SP. CP minus SP by CP into 100%.
Yes.
So that is rupees how much? 9,360 minus 8,664. This rupees 8,664 by, okay, rupees 9,360 into 100% we will be doing. So after subtracting, how much it will come? It will come over here 6, and then after so it will become 5, so 9, then it will become 2, so that is 12 minus 6, again it will become 6. Okay, so rupees 696 by rupees 9,360. So now, sorry, into 100% was also there. So 1010 got cancelled. If you will see, I think both will be cancelled with 6. Is it 6? 1 just 6. Then after 33, yes, it will go. So here 6 1 just 6. 6 1 just 6 and 6 6 is 36. And here 6 1 just 6, 6 5 is 30 and 6 6 is 36. Okay, let me see either it is again going with 6 or not. So after
Yes.
going that, no, it will not go with 6, it will go with 2. It will become 58 and this will become 73. Now both it will not be going, so you can simply divide 580 with 73 and it will become how much? 7 7 is 49. Okay, this will come in point.
That
Did
will
I
not
miss?
be 73, sir. It will be 78.
Okay, sorry, 78, yes. Yes, it will become 78. Then again it will cancel, yes. It will become how much? 580 was there. So that will become how much? 2 and 9. 0. By here it will become how much? 78 will become 35, and then after 39. Now these two will not be cancelled. So 290 divided by 39. So 9 3 are 27. It will be more, I think. Okay, 9 9 is 81 and 27 and 35. It will become more. So 9. Okay, 9 for the 8 for the 32. That will be also more. So with 7 it will go, I think. Yes. 7 9 is 63. Carry 6. 7 3 is 21 and 6 27. So it will become 7, and then after here it will be 8. So this 17, and then after when we will keep point, then it will come 0, and 4 for the 16. So with 4 it will go. So 9 for the 36, and then after 4 3 is 12 and 3 15. So again when I will raise it, it will become how much?
14, sir.
14. And again 0 it will come, then it will go with 3. So is 7.43% answer?
Sir, answer is in mixed fraction and answer matched.
Okay, answer matched. Okay, 7 and something by 39 it is. Yes.
Sir, I have doubt in question number 7, sir. I am not able to do that one, sir.
Okay, I'll be solving 7 also. Before that, I think Nancy had said doubt of try this section question number 4. Is it?
Can you do it small?
Of course, I'm doing it. Sorry. So, of course, that was only good. So, is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, you might can take a screenshot, or if you are copying, you can copy. So, now I'll be moving back because okay, here is only to try this section. Okay, so question number 4 you are saying is it, Nancy?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let's see question number 4 then. A person suffers a loss of 12.5% by selling an article, okay, for rupees 17.50. At what price must he sell the article to make a profit of 20%? Okay, it is just like earlier question number 10.
Sir,
Sir,
but
we
answer
will
did
Here
not
also you
match.
will find at first CP by using the
minus
formula.
loss again into SP.
Yes, and then
Yes,
after
sir.
profit, you will find SP by using the formula of profit. So you will be able to make, Nancy, or I should explain by making. Is there Nancy inside the class?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So what should I do? Should I make? And other
Yes, sir.
students also, if you
Make
think it should be made. Okay. So let's see. What we can do? Simply we can write here the person suffers selling an article. So here you can write SP of article is equal to rupees 17.50. Loss percent on article is equal to 12.5%. Then CP is equal to what? 100 by 100 minus loss percent. In denominator always comes loss percent, that you have to remember, and profit goes in numerator. Loss percent into SP. So it will become 100 by 100 minus 12.5% into SP is rupees 17.50. So how much this will become? Here it will come 100 at the top. When it will be multiplied with
Class 25
17.50
mummy.
rupees. Yes. So it will become how much? 87.5, is it? And when you will, okay, this is CP. Okay, so when you will reduce it, okay, 87.5, I think it will become double of this is 175. Yes. So it will become 20 rupees 20. Clear up to here? Now you have to find selling price for 20% profit. You can, after that you can write again. Write again. SP is equal to what? It will become 100. Profit is there, then plus profit percent will be there, and there was profit only, I think. Yes, which number I was
Yes.
writing?
Yes, sir. Profit, sir.
Which number question it was?
That right
The
this
4 number.
section
Sorry.
question number 4.
So profit is
20% of
20%.
profit.
Yes. So 100 plus profit percent
By 100 into CP.
by 100 into CP.
The answer will come, I think, 24.
Yes. Did the answer match?
No, sir. So my answer is also 24, but it did not match.
Okay. What is the answer in answer key?
My answer is also 24 only, but answer not match.
25 is 100, and it will become how much profit percent it is required? How much? 25%, is it?
Sir, answer
No,
is
sir.
given 23.66.
20% is profit. So it will become how much?
Yes.
120 by 5. So 24% is the answer. Yes.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Answer given 23.66.
Okay. So that is wrong. Okay. This is only the right. SP only you have to find. So 24% only it will come.
Yeah.
Is this clear?
In decimal.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Now I'll be going for another doubt. Anyone other was also asking the doubt?
Yes, sir. Question number 7, sir. 9.2.
9.2, question number 7 and 12. Okay, just for a second. Just coming. Okay. So, question number 12. Yes.
7, sir.
Sir, in
7.
this question number 4,
7.
sir, which you have solved right now, sir, you have written
Yes.
24%. It will be rupees, no.
Sorry, yes, this will be rupees, yes. This will be rupees 24, not 24%. Okay. Now let's come towards question number 7, is it?
Yes, sir. And in 6 also, sir, it is saying that this one, sir, Aditi bought 2 refrigerators for 28,500. She sold each of them at same selling price. One refrigerator she made a profit of 10% and another she incurs a loss of 10%. And again it is telling to find the cost price and selling price both, sir. But here cost price is given, sir.
Cost price of each refrigerator it is said to find. Cost price of both it has been given, na? And both cost price are not equal. That also it has not been said. Okay, just see.
Yes, sir, in
Six
second
is-
line it is.
six also.
It is just like the example. Okay, I will be showing you the example also. Just see over here at first. 6 number.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
6 explain, sir. 7 you do, sir.
Okay, 6 I'll explain and 7 I'll do. So you see over here, Aditi bought 2 refrigerator, okay? For rupees 28,500. That doesn't mean both cost price is half. No. She sold each of them on same selling price. Now say selling price is same. It has been given. On one refrigerator, she made profit of 10%. In one refrigerator, she is making 10% profit, and in other, she is making 10% loss. Find the cost price and selling price of each refrigerator. So what you will do here, at first you will assume, let the CP of one refrigerator be X. Then another refrigerator cost price will become 28,500 minus X. Now what you will say?
But sir,
X
in
plus
first line it is
10%
only
of
given
X.
the cost price is 28,500.
Cost price of 2, not 1. And both the cost price are not same, they are different. Because if it will be same, if cost price will be also same and selling price will be also same, then in both there will be profit only or loss only, not in one profit and in one loss. Getting me?
Yes, sir. Sir.
So cost price is different. That's why I had said you will assume one, okay, cost price of refrigerator be what? X, and cost price of second refrigerator be 28,500 minus X. Then you will write according to question, okay, on one she making 10% profit. So you will write 10%, okay, X plus 10, okay, you can write SP of first, simply you will do SP of first refrigerator is equal to X plus 10% of X, because she is making profit. Getting?
Yes, sir. Then
And
110%
you will
of
write,
X.
yes, and in next you will write SP of second refrigerator is equal to
90% of X.
what it will become?
90%, sir, because loss it is asking, no, sir.
Loss is there, so that will become how much? Second cost price is? No, 28,500 minus X minus 10% of 28,500 minus X. And now what you will do according to question. In question it has been said both the SPs are same. So SP1 is equal to SP2 you will solve, then you will get the value of X. And that will be giving us the cost price of the refrigerator and also the selling price of the refrigerator. Got it? Or I should make it in process?
Sir, I didn't understood.
Okay, so I'll make it in process then. Let's see how to make it. What we'll do, we'll write let CP of one refrigerator be X. Okay, ZERATOR it is, refrigerator be X, rupees X. Okay, sometimes it becomes difficult in writing. Then CP of other refrigerator is equal to rupees 28,500 minus X, because their sum is how much? 28,500. Now, what you can say? Now, SP of first refrigerator, SP of first refrigerator refrigerator is equal to X plus 10% of X. Okay, rupees we will write at last, so we had left rupees. They can write SPF second computer and SPF second computer, or other computer also you can write. Sorry, refrigerator, not computer. Refrigerator, ZERATOR it is. Yes.
So here, when you have taken 28500 minus X, so where there we can also take Y, no? That's why by making this, it will be easier to solve it. And then after, when we will get to the conclusion, then we will put Y is equal to 28500 minus X.
That also it can be done, but if there will be two variable, then it will not be possible to solve. Okay.
Sir,
So yes.
you can solve without variable also.
We can solve without variable. No, one variable we have to take it.
Sir, but I have solved and got answer.
You have to solve and got answer. You can send the page then. Okay, I'll watch how you have solved.
Okay, sir.
So after that we will be writing now according to question. If you I think apply CP and SP formula, then you may be getting. Okay. Now according to question, both the SPs are same, so you can write X plus 10% of X is equal to 28,500 minus x minus 10, okay, 10% of 25,000, 28,500 minus x. So what will happen? It will become 110 x by x. X by x, sorry, 110x
X
by
100, sir.
100. Yes, 100 it will become, not x. Is equal to, it will become 28,500 minus x, and this got cancelled, so it will become minus, okay, better to increase one more zero directly, 1 0 over here and 10x over here. When you will take LCM, then it will become, and at last below there will be coming 10. Getting me?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 0020 will be only there, sir. You have written 3 zeros, sir. 285000, sir, in starting.
Yes. Why I had written that 30? Do you know? Because here it was 10. I had
Yes,
taken
because
fraction ahead of all. So that's why with
LCM.
10 it has been multiplied. Got
What,
it?
sir?
10.
No.
I had made it over here 10, below 10. Got it? So if you will make 10, when you will take LCM fraction 8, then nothing is below there, then there is 1. 1
Okay, sir.
dividing 10, it will
Yes,
become 10,
understood,
10
sir.
into this. Okay. So now it will become 11x by 10. Okay. Or simply we can cancel also, like this, this head it will cancel, and this will be cancelled. So you can say 11x is equal to 2,85,000 minus 28,500. So of course 20 will be there, and then after from 1,000 goes 500, then there will be 1, it will be carrying over, then it will become 1,000. So 1,000 minus 500, 10 minus 5 is 5, so 4 is over here. Now 14 minus 8, 6 will be there. Yes. And then after here 7, 7 minus 2, it will be 5, and this. Yes. So you can say x is equal to 256,500 by 11. 11 to the 22, 3 and 6, 33, 36. So 11 3 is 33, 3 and 5, 35 it will become. So 11 3 is 33 again, 2 by 11. Okay. In this way
Sir,
rupees
X
comes.
you have not written, sir.
Yeah. X.
Yes, minus X, minus 10X and X, both you have left, sir.
Okay, okay, that's why.
Sir, I have
So
sent
already
you,
changed.
sir.
Okay, I'll change that. It will become minus 9x, then it will come this side, then it will become 20x. 20x is equal to 2565 00, and then we can write x is equal to what? 256,500 divided by 20. So what will happen? It will be 0 0, it will be cancelled, and then after 2 and the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 3 is 6. So 2 to the 4, 1 will be there. So 1 and 6 16. So 2 8 is 16. And then after again 2 to the 4 and 2 4 10. So what will happen now? With 2 dividing, then it will become 2 6 the 12, 2 4 the 8, 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4 and 1.5. So this is one of the cost of refrigerator. Okay. See, is this answer matches?
Sir,
Yes.
how it is divided by 2 again?
Okay. I'll see. Okay, Aman Bhardwaj. Okay, let me see what he had said. Profit of 10%. Whose 10% profit you are finding? 22,250. Each player it is.
Sir,
I'm not
yes, sir.
saying
Let
about
the
7 number,
CPF.
6 number. You are saying of
Wait, sir.
7
That.
number.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that I'll be watching later on. Okay. So now,
Problem in question 11, sir.
Sir, this
yes.
last step, sir, why it is divided twice, sir, again?
Twice it is divided.
Yes,
You
Yes,
sir.
see,
sir, you
20 is
divided
over
it
there.
by
Okay,
2
20 is
again.
over there. 1010 cancel. So 2 it is left, na? Okay. Sorry, once we are divided only, so no need to divide twice.
Again you are dividing, sir.
Okay.
So now
Sorry.
answer matched.
Now answer. I thought 2 is left only, but already divided. So this is one of the cost, and you can say, so CP of second refrigerator, you can write, and CP of second refrigerator is equal to now I think you all will be able to find, yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have done my other method, but I'm not getting answer.
28,500 minus 12,825. Might be your method would not be right. 5, 7,
Can I send you, sir?
minus 8. Okay, you can send 6. Then it will be again 7 minus 2, 5 and 1. So 15,000 you can say is equal to rupees 15,675. It has been said to find selling price also. So
Yes,
now you
sir.
can say hence selling price is equal to and or hence also you can write hence SP of each refrigerator is equal to selling price of each refrigerator is equal to what it was 110x, yes, or 11x by 10. So 11 into rupees x value is how much? 12,825 by 10. Getting me?
Yes, sir.
So now simply multiply. How much it will come? Okay, 5 will be there. Okay, I like this. It can be done 1, 2, 8, 2, 5, and again over here 1, 2, 8, 2, 5. It will become 5. Okay, 5, 7, 8 to 10, 0, carry 1, 8 to 10, 1, 11, carry 1, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 it will become.
Sir, sir,
Yes.
sir,
Say.
in sixth number, three answers are given. My two answers and are matched. One answer is of what?
Fifth number, I'll see that. Okay, then I'll say which number
Sir,
I'm
fifth
making now.
number.
I'm making seventh number, sixth number. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So after 2, there will be no point. After 1, there will be point.
Sir,
Okay, selling price
sir,
is,
three
is how
answers
much?
are given.
Okay. I'll check that. This is how much it came. While multiplying 2, 1, 2, 8 to 5 and 1, 2, 8 to 5, then adding, and then this Okay, so it becomes this. So it becomes 200. How you can keep after 2 points? It is divided by 1, so after 2 points. So 224,825. In both cases, then there will be profit itself. Okay, in both cases it has been said, what say? No. In X, okay, SP of each refrigerator. So X value is how much? 1285 only, yes.
Sir, you are doing wrong multiplication, sir. My answer came.
12825 and again
My
12825, then adding them. Okay, then where I had done mistake and adding? Everything is
No,
right
sir,
only.
in multiplication, sir, you have done wrong multiplications.
11, when you will multiply 12825, then it will become like this only, na?
No, sir, it is coming different.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
How much coming?
Sir, it is coming 141075.50, sir.
Okay. Okay, so in multiplication it make had been mistake. Okay. What it was 11 into 12,825. Of course, this was the big number. So how it will come? That divided by 10. So 14,807.5. Yes. 14,807.5.
Again,
Sorry,
it is wrong, sir.
107.5.
107, sir.
1. Yes, 1 is there. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 7 also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you guys have sent the photo of this is which number?
Sir, I also sent you question number
6,
7.
sir.
Please check it.
Which question I had made that only, yes.
Yes, sir.
So x, then after 10% of x, then it becomes 9x by 10. Then you are saying without assuming it, I got the answer.
I had not said, sir. Aman said, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Wait, sir. Let me
And
send.
again,
Let me send.
28%, this 10% of this. Okay, this is not right. How you can write 10% of 28,500? Next computer, okay, next refrigerator
Because
charge is
that
not
is profit, no, sir.
28,500. Huh?
That is profit,
But the
no, sir.
cost price is not 28,500. Cost price will become 28,500 minus x, because this is the next one, and both cost price combined, then it becomes 28,500. Getting it?
Oh, sir. This.
So here you
I
have to write
thought that it was 28.
28,500 minus x. Okay, so there you had made mistake. Okay, I can see Rituja has also sent, and Rituja is making with pencil. So your answer matched, Rituja.
Yes,
This is
sir.
small. This is writing music player.
It is
7 number it
little
is.
pencil, sir.
Okay, if it didn't match, then right. Now I'll go. Okay, towards. Okay, I think the time has also been exceeded. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
11 minutes.
11 minutes.
Okay, so now I'll just stop recording.